I know this sounds crazy, but the reason your hair is not growing may be because you keep raising this out. I stopped raising it and my hair started growing faster, thicker and stronger in just few weeks. And the craziest part is something you have been trained away. Look at this. This is how my hair was before. Few weeks ago, I was struggling with breakage and slow growth. If your hair keeps shedding, breaking, or not retaining length, this is going to change everything for you. This is not just any spray. This is a powerful hair growth treatment. Our first ingredient is onion peel. This right here is the most underrated part of the onion. Most people throw this away, but this is the actually where the real powerful is. Onion peel is loaded with sulfur and antioxidants that repair weak hair, stop breakage, and strengthen your strands from the roots. That is why when I started using this, my hair stopped breaking and started retaining more length. So if your hair keeps growing but you are not seeing length, this is what you are missing. So what I just did is to use one full hand of my onion peel, wash it very well. I wash it 2 to 3 times. So after washing it, this is what I have. So I will transfer it into my pot. Now bring it to my second ingredient. Our second ingredient is bay leaf. Now, this is what most people do not add, but it makes a huge difference. Bay leaves help to deep cleanse your scalp and remove buildup that block hair from growing. Because listen, if your scalp is not healthy, your hair cannot grow properly. This is what helps your hair grow from the roots, not just looking good on the surface. So a clean scalp equals to faster hair growth. Simple, okay? So what I'm just doing now is to use some pieces of my bay leaf. So you can make use of up to 5 to 6 pieces of your bay leaf. So then the next thing now is to transfer it to the pot that contain our onion peel. Now let's move on to our third ingredient. Our third ingredient is cloves, and this is what actually wake up your hair follicles up. Cloves boost blood circulation to your scalp, which means more nutrients, more growth, and faster results. When I add cloves, I noticed my hair was not just growing, it was growing faster. This is what turns slow growth into faster growth. Now imagine combine all these three. One stops breakage, one cleans your scalp, and one activates growth. That is how you get real results. This is not just a hairspray. This is a powerful full hair growth treatment. Most people are using onion the wrong way. They are ignoring the most powerful parts. But wait, the way you use this will determine your results. So do not skip the next part. So I just make use of 1 tablespoon of my cloves. Then I pour in water into the pot containing these our 3 powerful ingredients. So the next thing now is to bring it to a boil. Listen, pay close attention to this part. Do not boil this longer. Secondly, do not boil it with a high heat. You kill the nutrients, okay? So we are trying to prevent all the powerful nutrients that come with these powerful 3 ingredients. Boiling it in a high heat will kill the nutrients. Secondly, boiling it for a long time will also kill the nutrients. So the best way to boil this to get that good result and also to prevent all the nutrients is to boil it in a low heat. Secondly, boil it about 10 to 15 minutes. Once it's 10 to 15 minutes, the water will turn into dark and rich. This is when you know it's ready to be used. Now allow it to cool down completely before you start using it. So if you are worried about the smell, just add a few drops of your favorite oil or leave it overnight before using it. Leaving it overnight before using it is another way again to activate it more, okay? So preferable, I will advise you to leave it overnight, okay? Or like 5 to 6 hours before using it. In that way, it will become more potent, more powerful, and more effective. So I leave mine for overnight. As you can see, the water is more rich in color now and more darker than earlier we prepare it. So this is more powerful, more effective, and more nutrients. So leave it overnight is the best for you to get that good result. So the next thing now is to be my shifter and a bowl to collect this rich, powerful spray. This onion hair growth treatment will grow your hair super faster. I'm not even capping. Use this to stop your hair breakage faster, hair shedding, and hair fall. Use this natural remedy to grow your hair thicker, longer, fuller at home without to breaking the bank. Okay, so this natural remedy is very effective in darkening your hair, thickening up your hair, and grow your hair super fast and natural without to breaking the bank. This is the best DIY spray you can ever try so far. So now, do you see how rich, brand, and how potent this spray is? I just transfer it to my spray bottle without adding anything. So now let me tell you step-by-step guideline on how to use this to grow your hair like never before and to solve those your hair problems. Okay, now this is the most important part. Do not skip this. Okay, first, apply this directly on your scalp, not just only on your hair. Okay, secondly, make sure you massage your scalp like 5 minutes to 7 minutes. It helps to stimulate hair growth faster with this powerful tea spray. Okay, now listen carefully. You do not need to drain this out if you are ready to see that good result. Yes, you heard me right. Leave it on your hair is the secret for that crazy result with this particular spray. Okay, so if you rinse it out, you will actually reduce how effective this can be, meaning you not get that faster result with this spray. So if you are ready for that crazy result, that crazy hair growth with this spray, don't rinse it out. That is the best way and the secret for that crazy result with this. Okay, so after using this consistent, you start noticing less shedding, stronger strands, and faster hair growth. Your hair will not just grow, it will retain a lot of length. I'm not even capping. Okay, so if you are serious about growing your hair, try this for 30 days and comment growth below. If you are starting it today, I want to see who is joining this challenge. So if you have tried onion before, this is completely different. You are using the most powerful part, and trust me, once you start, you will not go back. Yes. So guys, I hope you find this video very helpful. This is where I'll be ending today's video. Okay, please, if you are not subscribed, do wait to subscribe, like this video, and share this video, please. Okay, so that it will reach a lot of people out there. And also let me know where you're joining me from. Okay, I love to know. Okay, I love you guys so much. Let's continue this conversation in the comment section below. See you guys on my next video, or see you guys in the comment section below. Bye.